Good morning class 9th students. This is the second video of chapter number 3 of political science. In this video we will talk about making of Indian constitution. As you know, Indian constitution making process started in 1946 and by 26 January 1950 it was adopted, it was implemented in India. But in 1946, the process was not sudden. Before that, there was a long story about the making of constitution. So let us talk about the history of making of Indian constitution. We'll find out that the India was ruled by British government and it led to the rise of freedom struggle under various political parties and especially Indian National Congress. Then we have witnessed various movements, especially the Gandhian movements. So gradually we'll find out British government started giving some concessions in term, and those concessions were the early start of the making of constitution process. So in that context, Simon Commission, the well-known figure, you know about Simon Commission, go back Simon, Lathi charge on Lala Lajpat Rai in 1928. So they challenged Indian National Congress that if Simon Commission will not work in India, India will be divided into many countries, and that challenge was accepted by, and they also criticized Indians that they were incapable of making any constitution. So that challenge was accepted by Indian National Congress, and Motilal Nehru, father of Jawaharlal Nehru, was asked to frame a report. The report was framed and it was known as Nehru Report, which was the first attempt towards making of constitution. Then in 1931, Karachi session of Indian National Congress was held, where it included universal adult franchise, means all will give vote who are eligible, right to freedom. They will talk about fundamental rights. So these are also talked about, which further become guidelines for the making of constitution. Then British acts were also used in the making of Indian constitution. For example, Act of 1935, which our Indian constitution is almost 1/3 copy of Act of 1935, which is known as Government of India Act of 1935, passed by the British government. So that also become the role model for the making of Indian constitution. Not only this one, the various constitutions which were already made at that time were also inspired Indian constitution. So from USA constitutions we took about fundamental rights. From French constitution we will come to know about concept of republic, concept of liberty, fraternity. From Russian we adopted socialist pattern, development for the poor people, and likewise many constitutions of the world inspired in the making of Constitution of India. Thank you very much.